Hi everyone, welcome to the Grace Life DIY home decor. Now in this video today, I have decorated this area of my home with a touch of fall. Come on with me, guys. Now this video is a part of a collaboration called Styling My Way, and this is being hosted by Design with Emma and myself, the Grace Life DIY home decor. We also have some beautiful co-hosts, so let me go ahead and mention them. We have Sandylynn's Home and Garden, Bean Mel Bee, Dream with Caroline, May's Design Corner, and Secondhand Tracy Ann. So this is how I decorated my dining room table, and it is in buffalocheck and sunflowers. And then you'll see the shelf over to the left and then the back shelf. And so look how beautiful this is looking. Definitely a touch of fall. So let's take a look at the place setting, which I think is beautiful. All right, so here over to the left, we have a small dish, and I decided to go ahead and place my bow napkin. Now here we have the flatware, and that came from Walmart, that black flatware. Now we have the salad plate here, or the bread plate, with checkered and sunflowers, and here's a checkered plate. Those items there were thrifted at the Goodwill. Then we have the charger, and the charger did come from the Dollar Tree. Now here we have the placemats, this woven placemat and the burlap placemat. Both pieces came from Hobby Lobby. Now we're going to go ahead and layer this back. So now here we have the wine glass. That wine glass came from the Dollar Tree. And then the water glass did come from the Goodwill. And this is what the place setting looks like. Very budget friendly and beautiful. Now let's take a look at the centerpiece. So here we have a DIY vase with some onion grass. Then we have a bowl full of the faux leather pumpkins from the Dollar Tree. Here we have my lantern, which I purchased at Home Goods, and I had decorated that with sunflowers. And then we have a basket of white sunflowers off to the side. Now, as you can see, my tree in the back has not been done yet, but that's pretty much the only thing. Now we go over to the shelf. And I'm loving that DIY picture frame that I recently had. And then each shelf has a little bit of fall. Now we have the back wall. I'm loving that trumpet vase and the greenery, and this whole area to me is looking beautiful, and I hope you agree. So I hope you enjoyed the video as much as I enjoyed creating it for you. If you liked the video, click like, share, and comment. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. And don't forget to hit that notification bell so that you can get notified each and every time I upload a video. Have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next one. God bless you guys. Amen.